Hi there, welcome to our beginner's guide to using the word good in English. In this video, we'll explore how to use good in different contexts. Let's get started. The word good is an adjective. We use it to describe something that is pleasant, satisfactory, or of high quality. It's one of the most commonly used words in English. We can use good to describe people, things, and experiences. She is a good student, he is a good friend, this is a good book, that was a good movie, we had a good time at the party, the weather is good today. When we compare things, we use better for the comparative form and best for the superlative form. This pizza is good, but that pizza is better. She is a good dancer, but he is better. Out of all the students, he is the best. This is the best cake I have ever had. Good is also part of many common phrases in English. Let's look at a few. For good morning, afternoon, evening, and night, we says, good morning, how are you today? Good night, see you tomorrow. To say that you are feeling good, I feel good today. He feels good about his test results. For job or work, we can say, you do a good job on your homework, good work on the project. And that's it. You now know how to use the word good in different contexts. Keep practicing to get even better. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more lessons. See you next time.